Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you on how to hide your About information in WhatsApp Web. By doing this, you can have more control over who can view your personal details. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots located at the top left corner of the screen and click on them. Step 3. From the options that appear, click on Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy. Step 5. Locate the About option and click on it. Step 6. Check the circle next to Nobody. By following these simple steps, you have successfully hidden your About information from everyone in WhatsApp Web. This ensures that your personal details remain private and are only visible to those you choose to share them with. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of hiding your About informations on WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.